Right, that is big news. So there's no maybe about it. This planet is definitely the closest planet to the sun that's not orbiting the sun. So stars are really, really far away, to get technical about it. This one being close is a little over 4 light years away.
For centuries, humans have been captivated by the mysteries of space, constantly wondering if life exists beyond Earth. Now, a groundbreaking revelation has brought this age-old question back into the spotlight. In a stunning announcement, NASA has revealed that the James Webb Telescope, the most advanced piece of astronomical technology ever built, has captured a mysterious and unsettling object in space, hinting at the possibility of other civilizations. This discovery has left us with more questions than answers. Are we truly alone in the universe? Stay with us as we unveil the chilling discovery made by the James Webb Telescope. James Webb Telescope captures Proxima b. Scientists have just revealed that the James Webb Telescope has captured terrifying images from space. The images captured by the telescope appear to be artificial light on the surface of Proxima b. Proxima b is an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to our Sun. It's located about 4.24 light-years away in the Alpha Centauri system. Discovered in 2016, Proxima b is a planet located outside our solar system, and it has long been a target of interest for astronomers. Its proximity to Earth and its potential for harboring life have made it a prime candidate for further investigation. The data from the James Webb Telescope reveals a distinct pattern of light emission from Proxima b. This pattern is unlike anything we have observed on other planets in our solar system. The light is concentrated in specific wavelengths, suggesting an artificial source. Although this finding is still at the early stage and requires further analysis. Also, until now, there was no concrete evidence that anything other than microbial life could exist there. Could this be evidence of artificial lighting on another planet? This discovery has opened up a fascinating possibility. The revelation that there might be city-like structures or clusters of lights on the planet's surface has turned scientific curiosity into a full-blown global phenomenon. The implications of microbial life on Proxima b is quite astonishing. If the lights on Proxima b are indeed the result of advanced civilizations, it would be the first concrete proof that humanity is not alone in the universe, and that intelligent life exists beyond Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope's mission, since its launch in 2021, has been to explore the deepest reaches of space, searching for clues about the origins of galaxies, stars, and planets. It was not explicitly designed to search for extraterrestrial life, but the telescope's sophisticated imaging technology allows it to penetrate distant star systems and capture high-resolution images of exoplanets. This advanced imaging technology also allows it to analyze the atmosphere with precision. The discovery of artificial light or any signs of advanced technology by the James Webb Telescope would be unexpected but a remarkable achievement. But it definitely gets interesting. This discovery raised more questions than it answered, with many wondering how such an advanced civilization could exist so close to Earth without being detected for long. And this is where it gets interesting, with Elon Musk having spoken about extraterrestrial life. Musk has been ambitious for space exploration and has often pushed the boundaries of what seems possible. He has long advocated for humanity to become a multiplanetary species. He envisioned humans settling on Mars and other planets that support life. This discovery of potential city lights on Proxima b only adds urgency to his vision. If intelligent life exists on Proxima b, it could either represent an opportunity for peaceful contact and collaboration or a potential threat. Musk, ever the optimist, has suggested that this discovery should motivate humanity to accelerate its efforts in space exploration and colonization. He has framed the discovery as a critical moment in human history, one that could redefine our understanding of life in the universe and our place within it. Although this will make space exploration more fascinating, the implications of this discovery extend far beyond the realm of space exploration. If confirmed that intelligent life does exist on Proxima b, it raises profound philosophical, scientific, and ethical questions. How would humanity respond to the knowledge that we are not alone? Would we attempt to make contact? And if so, how? What would we hope to gain from such contact, and what might we risk? These questions, once confined to science fiction, are now increasingly relevant. Such a discovery could pave the way for unparalleled knowledge and opportunities, potentially giving humanity insights that could transform our civilization and our worldview. Let's take a closer look at how these will be made possible, how life in Proxima b will help humanity. The detection of city-like lights on Proxima b, a potentially habitable exoplanet orbiting the star Proxima Centauri, could be a monumental moment in science. If these lights are signs of an advanced civilization, they would offer humanity a unique opportunity to gain insight into technologies that have taken this civilization potentially thousands or even millions of years to develop. For example, studying their technology could provide solutions to Earth's pressing issues, such as climate change and energy shortages, by uncovering alternative energy sources and sustainable practices we haven't yet imagined. Additionally, learning from such advanced beings could accelerate our space travel capabilities, helping us explore and colonize more distant worlds, and even ensure human survival beyond Earth. This type of discovery would fundamentally change our understanding of life in the universe and propel scientific advancement at a pace previously unimaginable. A confirmed presence of artificial lights on Proxima b could signify technological sophistication far beyond our current capabilities. Collaboration with such a civilization could lead to transformative innovations in energy production, with potential access to clean, renewable sources that could solve many of Earth's environmental and economic challenges. Medical advances, too, could be groundbreaking if we can learn from their healthcare systems, potentially bringing cures to diseases and enhancing human health in ways we haven't yet thought possible. Materials technology might advance as well, with the potential discovery of ultra-light or highly durable materials for use in everything from construction to clothing. The implications would not only change life on Earth, but could pave the way for human exploration and adaptation to environments across the cosmos. The discovery of intelligent life would likely inspire a new era of global collaboration, with countries coming together to make sense of this monumental finding. Working on missions and research initiatives to understand Proxima b would require the pooling of scientific knowledge and resources from around the world, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. Just as space programs in the past inspired international cooperation during times of Cold War tensions, a new cooperative mission to understand and possibly communicate with an alien civilization could ease geopolitical conflicts and inspire countries to work together. By uniting the world around a common goal, this discovery might encourage a more harmonious and collaborative future for humanity. As scientists look for signs of life on Proxima b, this discovery could push space exploration into a transformative new phase. For example, Elon Musk has long been a proponent of manned missions to Mars, but the revelation of intelligent life on a planet so close to Earth could shift priorities. Proxima b could become the new focus of human exploration, with efforts to send probes or even manned missions to the planet gaining momentum. However, traveling to Proxima b would present significant challenges. Even at the speed of light, it would take over 4 years to reach the planet. Current space travel technology is far too slow to make such a journey feasible in the near future. But the discovery could provide the impetus needed to accelerate the development of faster propulsion systems. While we are still far from achieving faster-than-light travel, scientists are actively looking for alternative propulsion systems that could make interstellar travel possible. If Proxima b harbors intelligent life, our motivation to innovate would grow significantly. The concept of reaching Proxima b might no longer be confined to science fiction, but could become a serious objective for humanity. However, beyond these immediate benefits, there are countless others. In light of the potential discovery of intelligent life on Proxima b, a rich exchange of ideas, art, and cultural philosophy could inspire creative growth across the globe. Think of the advancements humanity has made by connecting across different cultures on Earth. Now imagine this multiplied by connecting with an entirely different civilization, possibly with its own unique perspectives on art, storytelling, and ethics. This interstellar cultural exchange could challenge existing viewpoints and broaden our understanding of creativity and expression, helping humanity reflect on its own history and social progress. The diversity and potential originality of Proxima b's civilization, if advanced enough, could inspire not only individual creativity, but also bring global enrichment, connecting people worldwide with a shared curiosity for the unknown. This kind of intellectual and cultural fusion could be just the beginning, inviting people to engage even deeper in the mysteries of the cosmos and opening new avenues for artistic and philosophical exploration. Like cultural exchange and enrichment, the discovery may also bring political changes, possibly positive political changes. Politically, the discovery of intelligent life on Proxima b could have profound consequences. Throughout history, the search for extraterrestrial life has been a unifying force in many ways, bringing together people from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds in a shared quest for knowledge. The discovery of an alien civilization could further this unification, fostering cooperation between nations as they work together to explore the new frontier. However, there is also the possibility that this discovery could escalate existing tensions between nations. If Proxima b is home to valuable resources or advanced technologies, it could spark a new kind of space race, with nations competing to be the first to make contact and reap the benefits. Also, the existence of an advanced civilization on Proxima b might prompt a re-evaluation of international laws governing space exploration and colonization. Currently, space law is governed by treaties such as the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, which prohibits the militarization of space and asserts that space is the province of all humankind. However, these treaties were written at a time when the discovery of intelligent extraterrestrial life was purely speculative. If such life is confirmed, it may be necessary to update or even rewrite these laws to account for the new realities of interstellar diplomacy and exploration. There will likely be problems on how nations should divide access to Proxima b, whether it should be considered neutral territory. Beyond political consideration, artificial intelligence and robotics could also gain importance due to the difficulty of sending humans to Proxima b soon. It is likely that our first close encounter with the planet will be conducted via unmanned probes or robotic explorers. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning could be crucial in designing systems capable of exploring, analyzing, and perhaps even interacting with any life forms they encounter, particularly if they are tasked with representing humanity in first contact scenarios. How much autonomy should these machines be given? How should they be programmed to behave if they encounter intelligent life? Also, the confirmation of life on Proxima b would encourage humanity to reconsider its spiritual and philosophical beliefs, changing how we understand our place in the universe. Until now, human belief systems have centered around Earth as the only home of intelligent life. Realizing we are not alone would likely challenge these views, prompting new philosophical inquiries into existence, purpose, and morality on a universal scale. One of the most significant philosophical challenges posed by this discovery relates to the concept of the Great Filter. Great Filter is a term coined by Robin Hanson to describe the idea that there is some crucial step in the development of intelligent life that is extremely difficult to overcome. The Great Filter could lie behind us, meaning that life rarely evolves to become technologically advanced, or it could lie ahead of us, meaning civilizations tend to destroy themselves before they can achieve interstellar travel. The discovery of an advanced civilization on Proxima b would suggest that the Great Filter lies behind us, raising hopes that humanity too might survive long enough to become an interstellar species. On the other hand, it could also mean that the Great Filter is yet to come, and that our future might hold challenges far more dangerous than we currently realize. Ethically, the discovery of intelligent life on Proxima b raises numerous dilemmas about how we should interact with such a civilization if contact is even possible. Historically, human encounters with new civilizations on Earth have often been fraught with violence, exploitation, and misunderstanding. Should we strive to avoid these mistakes when interacting with extraterrestrial civilizations? How do we ensure that any contact we initiate is peaceful and mutually beneficial? These questions are particularly important given that we have no way of knowing how the inhabitants of Proxima b might perceive us. In addition to potential benefits, there are also threats associated with this discovery. Potential threat of civilization in Proxima b. If Proxima b is home to an advanced civilization, it raises the possibility that they could pose a threat to humanity. While there is no evidence to suggest the inhabitants of Proxima b are hostile, the mere existence of another intelligent species introduces new uncertainties. Could they be more technologically advanced and capable of conquering or exploiting Earth? Would they see us as competitors or potential allies? These are questions humanity would need to carefully consider before attempting to make contact or travel to Proxima b. The potential discovery of an advanced civilization on Proxima b could indeed bring transformative benefits to humanity, but each area of potential benefits also introduces significant risks. For example, there is also the possibility of philosophical threats to our beliefs, values, and worldview. Similarly, while there could be technological and scientific advancements, these could be countered by equally advanced threats to our security, environment, and autonomy. One of the threats could be security and defense. The discovery of an advanced civilization on Proxima b would naturally prompt questions about security and defense, especially given the potential for both cooperation and conflict with such an extraterrestrial society. First, an advanced alien civilization may present a serious threat due to technological advantages. If their development surpasses ours by even a few centuries, they could possess highly sophisticated weaponry or systems that might make Earth's defenses appear rudimentary by comparison. This risk is particularly concerning because their motives, values, and intentions could be beyond our understanding. Historically, encounters between civilizations of vastly different technological levels often result in the less advanced group being dominated or exploited. Also, the possibility that aliens might view Earth as a resource-rich planet opens the door to exploitation or colonization scenarios. As the Indian Space Research Organization Chief Somanath has pointed out, if advanced life forms do exist, they may have entirely different biological and cultural structures, which might lead to conflicts or misunderstandings during interaction. The simple act of contact with an alien civilization could disrupt Earth's social and political balance, as global powers might compete for alliances or technology. In response to these potential risks, developing space-based defense systems is becoming more relevant. These defenses could include advanced monitoring systems and protective barriers in space that would allow for early detection of alien approaches. Considering the gravity of these issues, humanity might soon find itself at a critical juncture where our focus on security and space-based defense becomes not only essential but urgent. This new reality would likely push Earth's governments and scientists to work together toward protecting our planet while weighing the costs and benefits of any potential contact. Another threat is cultural challenges. Intelligent life on Proxima b could present humanity with both benefits and cultural challenges. On one hand, contact with an alien civilization might offer incredible insights into other ways of life, introducing humans to new cultural expressions, philosophies, and practices. Yet there's also a risk of cultural disruption or contamination, where one civilization's influence unintentionally alters or harms the other. Much like the impacts of historical colonial encounters, this contact could lead to the loss or distortion of unique cultural identities, with lasting consequences that might be impossible to undo. Another major concern would be potential conflicts arising from fundamental differences in values, morals, and social norms. Even small differences in ethical views or societal structure might lead to misunderstandings or disagreements, especially as each civilization interprets appropriate behaviors differently. If misunderstandings go unresolved, they could result in mistrust or even hostilities between Earth and Proxima b, especially if humans attempt to impose their values without fully understanding those of the alien society. The thing is, these encounters would likely challenge existing social and cultural norms. The knowledge that another intelligent species exists with its own history, beliefs, and achievements could fundamentally reshape humanity's self-identity and global priorities. People might question long-held values or feel compelled to adjust cultural narratives to account for our place within a broader interstellar community. This possibility invites both excitement and hesitation, as adapting to new knowledge can be as challenging as it is enriching. Ultimately, each step toward contact could demand more than just technological advancement. It could push humanity to adapt culturally in unprecedented ways. Most importantly, when considering contact with an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, one major concern lies in the psychological implications for humanity. To begin, widespread fear or anxiety could emerge simply from the existence of aliens. Many people might experience fear over potential risks, from cultural change to existential threats. This type of fear is not new. In past events, like during the Cold War, society has shown tendencies to react with fear to the unknown or to perceived threats from external sources. Alien contact would likely magnify these fears, potentially influencing global behavior and perspectives on safety and survival. Next, the discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth challenges the way humans view their place in the universe. For centuries, human identity has been deeply tied to a sense of uniqueness, sometimes viewed in religious or philosophical terms as humanity's special place in creation. However, learning about another intelligent species could disrupt these perceptions. In fact, psychological studies suggest that shifts in worldview, especially when they question human primacy, can lead to identity crises. There would be a pressing need for humanity to prepare psychologically for such contact, potentially through public education and stress management initiatives. Psychological readiness could help mitigate fear and encourage more measured responses to new information. Experts in psychology often recommend transparent and factual public information campaigns to help society adjust to disruptive knowledge gradually, reducing emotional upheaval and allowing for a rational approach to the unknown. In light of these factors, preparing psychologically for contact with alien civilizations may be just as important as technological preparations. This balance of preparedness and caution could help foster resilience, allowing humanity to approach this possibility with curiosity rather than fear, setting the stage for adaptive responses to a new cosmic reality. More so, the discovery is not without economic implications. The economic impacts of extraterrestrial contact would also be significant. For starters, if humanity decides to pursue contact or exploration, enormous resources may need to be dedicated to space exploration efforts, including the development of advanced technology, spacecraft, and possibly defensive systems. Such initiatives could drive government spending and research investments towards space sciences, drawing funds away from other sectors, and could introduce fiscal challenges that would require careful management to avoid economic strain. Additionally, the discovery of alien life could lead to economic instability. Alien technology or resources, for example, could either boost economies with new markets and innovations, or disrupt current economic structures by making existing technologies obsolete. If extraterrestrial economies were involved, the implications could be even more unpredictable, especially if alien materials or technologies were introduced into Earth's economy. Responsible resource management would become essential. Space exploration on a larger scale could lead to questions about resource use, not only in terms of environmental impact, but also in terms of ethical responsibility. There may be calls for sustainable practices and regulations to ensure that humanity's actions in space are both economically viable and ethically sound, reducing potential harm to Earth's economy and to potential alien ecosystems. In all, the economic considerations surrounding extraterrestrial life are vast, and balanced planning will be critical to navigating these unknowns, helping to foster a stable and responsible approach to humanity's role in a potentially shared universe. What do you think about the terrifying object captured by the James Webb Telescope? Do you believe extraterrestrial life exists in space? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, click the next video on your screen to enjoy more exciting contents.